applications of Pythagoras and its converse. Now in that applications only few more questions. PQR is a right angle at B. PQR is a triangle, right angle at B, and M is a point on QR. Such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. QM into MR. Okay. Just a second. Okay. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P, and M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. QM into MR. To prove this theorem, we have many methods. Using the similarities you can prove, or using a Pythagoras theorem also we can prove it. Okay. Now to prove that, first of all I'll draw the diagram. PQR right angle at T. Right angle at T. Given is a triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 degrees, and M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Required to prove is PM square is equal to QM into MR. QM into MR. In many ways we can prove it by taking the three right angle triangle. This is one right angle triangle, this is one right angle triangle, and given whole triangle is another right angle triangle. Use the Pythagoras theorem and you can apply that. You will get the solution. Or else prove this triangle and this triangle are similar. This triangle PQM and RPM are similar. If you prove, then by similarities ratios are proportional. Two triangles are similar means. Now proof. You can have any method, either similarity or Pythagoras, or similarity or Pythagoras theorem you can apply here. Since first in triangle PQR and triangle PQM you compare it is PQM. In this one, angle P is equal to angle RPQ. RPQ is equal to angle RPQ is equal to angle QMP. Angle QMP. Both are right angles. RPQ means this one, and PQM means this one. Right angle, and angle Q is common angle here. Angle Q is equal to angle Q by AA similarity. By angle similarity. By angle similarity. This is reference value. By angle similarity, PQM is similar to RPQ. PQM is equal to RQP. RPMQ is similar to triangle. RPQ is similar to triangle PMQ. Okay, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle PMQ. So now again one more time, this triangle and this triangle compare. This triangle and this triangle compare. Okay na? Now one more time. Similarly, triangle RMP. Triangle, this one again, RPQ, this is right angle, this is also right angle, and this angle is common angle here. Again, by using this, now next one is a RMRP. Similarly, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RMQ. This is equation 2. See here, PQR is a triangle right angle at P. M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular on QR. Show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. I have to prove it. To prove that in triangle PQR angle P is 90 degrees, PM is perpendicular to QR. Now I have to prove this one. First, this triangle and this triangle I compared like Pythagoras theorem. Like Pythagoras theorem. In triangle PQR RPQ, in triangle PQR angle RPQ is 90 degrees, angle QMP is 90 degrees. Next one is angle Q is a reflexive angle. So triangle PQR is similar to QMP, or RPQ is similar to PMQ. Order very important. Similarly, this again is given triangle and this partition of the triangle are similar. I proved here. How? Again angle P and angle M are 90 degrees. Angle R is reflexive angle. Again RPQ is similar to RMP. RPQ is similar to RMP it is. Sorry. Correction. RMP it is. RMP. Okay. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. See here. This is similar to this one and this is similar to this one. That means all these three are similar to each other or not. If two triangles are similar to the same triangle, then those two also similar to its both each other. similar to each other. Understood? This partition triangle is similar to this whole triangle. This part of the triangle also similar to whole triangle. That means these two also similar. These two also similar. Okay. Therefore, that implies triangle PQM is similar to triangle RPM. Triangle PQM is similar to triangle RPM. So, by similarity condition, PQ by RP is equal to QM by PM is equal to PM by RM. Okay, RM. So these two you take because I required PM square is equal to QM into MR now. So PQ by RP, QM by PM and PM by RM. So QM by PM is equal to PM by MR cross multiply PM square is equal to QM into MR. Hence proved. Little confusion, sir. I did not do any magic or anything. Just I proved that triangles are similar. I proved. Two triangles partitions are similar. I proved. In the same way, you have a fifth question. Same way you have to take and prove that. Or else you can, if you are comfortable with the Pythagoras also you can add. Okay. So write it once I will explain this one. So here proof I am explaining. Triangle PQR triangle and this PQM triangle I compared because this is a perpendicular line drawn now. Both right angle triangles only now. Given triangle is right angle and the line is also perpendicular drawn. So the partitions also right angle triangles only. Okay. So now triangle PQR and the triangle PQM. This whole triangle and this partition of the triangle. And in PQR triangle angle P 90 degrees and here M is 90 degrees. Angle Q is a common angle to both triangles. So by angle similarity MQP is similar to PQR. Okay, PQR. Again this whole triangle and this partition of the triangle. Angle P is equal to 90 degrees. Angle M is equal to 90 degrees. Angle R is equal to angle R reflex angle. I did not write all the conditions. Direct I used here. So to understand I draw the diagrams. So RPQ is similar to RMP. Before I got Q, sir, sorry for that. Correct it. Okay, RMP. So from these two equations, these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Okay, triangle PQM is similar to triangle RPM. Or you can take PMQ is similar to RMP also same only. PMQ is similar means PM by RM is equal to MQ by MP is equal to PQ by PR. Okay, so since those two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Proportionality condition I took, and these two comparison I took here. These two proportionality condition I took and cross multiply. PM square is equal to QM into MR. In the same way, fifth question is here. Please solve it yourself only. Don't confuse it, sir. If in case any doubt is there, you can text me or you can call me. Only school hours timing only, sir, not late nights. Okay, after 5 o'clock don't call. Before 5 o'clock only call me. Okay. Now, next question. Next one is in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of the BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AD square. Different question. In an equilateral triangle, ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of the BC. Little different questions are difficult question. Please listen carefully. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Okay. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of the BC. Then prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. See here. ABC triangle, equilateral triangle is. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All the sides are equal. Because I will mark some other points also, sir. Keep it in mind that I am not making here. I wrote anyhow equal to condition now. So direct I will take here. D is one of the point on BC. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of the BC. If BD is 1/3 of the BC, means DC is 2/3 of the BC. Because BD, this is one part, means this will be two parts. Then DC is equal to 2/3 of BC. Keep it in mind. If required, I use it. Now, required to prove is 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Now, first join this AD. Construction. Join AD. Then draw AE is perpendicular to BC. AE is perpendicular to BC. Already in previous class I said that in equilateral triangle altitude itself only median. In an equilateral triangle altitude itself only median. That means BE is equal to EC is equal to half of the BC. BE is equal to EC is equal to half of the BC. BE is equal to EC is equal to half of the BC. So proof. Try to understand the concepts are little confusion problem, important problem, different problem it is. In an equilateral triangle ABC, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, means AB, BC, CA are equal sides. And D is the one of the point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of the BC. Okay, to understand, again I draw the diagram here. ABC is an equilateral triangle. D is the one of the point. BD is equal to 1/3 of the BC. I joined this one. Then immediately what I did here? I drawn AE is perpendicular to BC. I drawn. AE is perpendicular to BC. I drawn. If AE is perpendicular on BC, BE and EC are equal because in equilateral triangle, altitude itself only median. In equilateral triangle, altitude itself only median. So AE perpendicular to BC, so that BE is equal to EC is equal to half of the BC. Now, as per my requirement, 9 AD square required. AD is here. So I take this ADE triangle. In triangle ADE, angle AED is equal to 90 degrees. Because my required in LHS 9 AD square, no? AD according to my requirement I took it. 9 AD square is equal. Sorry, ADE triangle I took. So right angle it is. By Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. AE square plus DE square. AD square. Okay. First one. Now I need AB here. Again, ABE triangle type. In triangle ABE, angle AEB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle AEB is equal to 90 degrees. This is again AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Okay. Now AB square is equal to AE square I am taking as it is plus BE square I am writing as a here B2E between D is the point here. B2E between D is there. BD plus DE I am writing. BE square is equal to, okay. Now BE square I will write as a half of the BC square I will take because BE is equal to half of the BC, no? 1/2 of BC square. Transpose. Simplify this. AB square is equal to AE square plus see here AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Now BE square sent this side first. AB square minus BE square is equal to AE square. Okay. AB square minus AE square is equal to minus BE square is equal to AE square. This is second equation. This second equation, the first equation, compare it is AE replace in the place of in equation 1 replace second equation. AD square is equal to AB square minus BE square plus DE square. Listen here. Actually, I can substitute BE is equal to half of the BC, but I am not substituting here. See here in triangle ADE, because I required AD, so AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. That is equation 1. Again I need this AB square also, no? triangle I am taking. ABE. Okay. ABE is equal to AB square plus AE square plus DE square. Now AB square, this BE square side this side, AD square minus BE square. AB square minus BE square. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. This equation 2, AB square minus BE square is equal to AE square. That is equation 1. BE square is transposed. Now substitute second equation in first one. Then what is the first one? AD square is equal to AE this one. AB square minus AB square minus BE square plus DE square plus DE square. Now AD square is equal to AB square minus, if you take common, BE plus DE whole square. BE plus DE, sorry, BE minus DE. Plus DE square minus BE square. Now AD square is equal to AB square plus A square minus B square. DE square, DE plus BC, sorry, DE plus BE into go with minus common rate. DE square minus BE square. That is AD square is equal to AB square minus of BE plus DE into BE minus DE. A square minus B square formula. AD square is equal to AB square minus of BE plus DE means I don't have proper condition. So I will replace BE as an EC because BE and EC are equal. EC plus DE. BE minus DE is nothing but a BD. Now AD square is equal to AB square minus EC plus DE is nothing but a DC is. Now AD square is equal to AD square minus DC is nothing but a 2/3 of the BC. And BD can be written as a 1/3 of the BC. AD square is equal to AB square minus 2/9 BC square. Now AD square is equal to 9AB square minus 2BC square. LCM I am taking by 9. 9 transpose this side. Then 9AD square is equal to 9AB square minus 2BC square means 2AB square you can write because BC and AB are equal. Therefore 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Simple algebraic calculation only I did here. Simple method I opted. Still any doubt is, any confusion is there? Just listen to me now. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of the BC. This BD is 1/3 of the BC. Then if this is 1/3, then DC will be 2/3, obviously. Okay. Now AD I join and one perpendicular line I constructed. Draw AE is perpendicular on BC because I know the Pythagoras concept. So I am going to apply a Pythagoras concept. So AE is a perpendicular on BC. Now in triangle ADE, as per my requirement, 9AD square I required. 9AD square required. So in triangle ADE, AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. plus DE square. By Pythagoras theorem, this is AD square equal AE square plus DE square. That is equation 1. Again, this ADE triangle you take. In triangle ADE, again angle E is 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. AB square, AE square plus BE square. Now AB square minus BE square, send this BE square this side, is equal to AE square. Now this equation 2. This equation 2 I am substituting in equation 1 because here AE square is there here. Then AD square is equal to AD square is equal to AE square means AB square minus BE square. AB square minus BE square plus already DE square is there. Now AB square minus I took common. If I take minus common, this BE square plus becomes minus DE square. Now A square minus B square formula apply here. A plus B into A minus B. BE plus DE into BE minus DE. This bracket I am simplifying it is. Now BE plus DE I don't have any option. So instead of BE I am writing EC because BE and EC are equal. EC plus DE and BE minus DE is nothing but a BD. Now EC plus DE is nothing but a DC into BD. Now DC is 2/3 of the BC and BD is 1/3 of the BC given. So AB square minus of 2/3 into BC into 1/3 into BC. 2 into 1 2, 3 3s are 9. BC into BC square. Now take LCM. 9 AB square minus 2 BC square whole by 9 is equal to AD square. Transfer this one. 9 AD square equal to 9 AB square minus 2 BC means BC is nothing but a AB. 2 AB square. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Hence proved. Okay. Please write down. Still any doubt is there? Please text me. Okay. This problem twice you revise it this video and watch that. Okay. Watch this video from website twice or thrice. When you come to the school in physical class also, once I will revise this concept. Okay. Thank you. Don't confuse it, this calculation. Equation 2 onwards, don't confuse it. Is in triangle AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Just AE square I made it as subject. Then AB square minus BE square is equal to AE square. That is equation 2. This equation 2 I am taking and I am substituting into the equation 1. So in the place of AE square, replace AB square minus BE square. Plus DE square is there, minus you take common, then BE square minus DE square will get. There AB square minus of BE square minus DE square. There A square minus B square formula I applied. A plus B into A minus B. BE plus DE into BE minus DE. So BE where is BE sir in next step. So BE and EC are same because perpendicular line now in equilateral triangle altitude itself only median. So in the place of BE, EC is substituted. EC plus DE. And another BE minus DE means BE minus DE. If you subtract in figure, you observe that figure from BE, subtract DE, left over is BD. Okay. Now EC plus DE is nothing but a DC into BD. That is a 2/3. DC is equal to 2/3 of the BC, and BD is equal to 1/3 of the BC. 2 by 9 BC square. Take LCM and simplify this. Okay. Thank you.